Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where I will try to help you navigate the world of tech interviews and land your dream job. Today I will be discussing interview guide for one of the most renowned tech companies in the world, Google. If you are aiming to join Google as a software engineer, then you have come to the right place. So let's dive in. Before we get into the details of the interview process, let's take a quick overview of what you can expect from this video. I will be sharing whole interview process step by step, then some helpful tips and tricks and what Google is looking for, and finally few helpful resources and sample coding and system design questions. Let's begin. Google interview process mainly consists of three main stages: recruiter pre-screen, technical phone screens, and virtual or on-site loop. Each stage evaluates different aspects of your skills and abilities. The first stage is recruiter pre-screen, which is a non-technical interview lasting around 20 to 30 minutes. During this interview, you will discuss your resume and background. Be prepared to answer questions like why Google and what's your biggest achievement. Interviewer may also ask why you are leaving your current job. It's essential to highlight your motivations and demonstrate your passion for joining Google. Moving on to a second stage, the technical phone screens. This stage usually consists of one or two phone screens with hiring manager or a Google employee. You will be given a coding question related to data structure and algorithms. The coding question will be solved on a shared Google Doc, and you will need to explain your thought process. Additionally, expect some questions about your background and experience. Finally, we have the virtual or on-site loop, which typically includes 4 to 5 interviews. These interviews will focus on coding and system design questions. You can expect questions related to slightly harder data structures, algorithms, and system design. It is crucial to showcase your problem-solving skills and your ability to work through complex technical challenges. Throughout the entire interview process, Google evaluates candidates based on 4 key criteria. Let's take a closer look at each of them. First criteria is Googleyness. This refers to putting the user first, being friendly, approachable, and humble. Google values individuals who are proactive, team player, and have a bias for action. During the interviews, demonstrate your Googleyness by showcasing your user-centric mindset and your ability to work well in the team. The second criteria is general cognitive ability. Google wants to see your problem-solving skills and how well you can explain your thought process. Be prepared for open-ended questions that require optimization and critical thinking. The interviewer wants to understand how you learn and adapt to new situations. The third criteria is leadership. Google looks for individuals who can tackle tough problems and mobilize a team to solve them. Be ready to share instances where you demonstrated leadership even when you weren't in the managerial position. Additionally, discuss how you handle trade-offs and ambiguity, showcasing your ability to navigate complex situations. The fourth and the final criteria is role-related knowledge. Google wants to access your technical expertise and how it aligns with the company's goal. They want to know if you can drive impact and contribute effectively. Highlight your technical skills and demonstrate how you can grow and scale with Google. Now that we have covered the evaluation criteria, let's move on to some essential tips for your interview preparation. Tip number 1. Focus on data structures. Make sure to practice concepts like heaps, hash table, trees, stacks, queues, graphs, and tries. Familiarize yourself with their implementation and use cases. Tip number 2. Sharpen your algorithm skills. Practice algorithms such as dynamic programming, quicksort, BFS, and DFS. Solving algorithmic problems will help you become more comfortable with coding challenges. Tip number 3. Explain your thought process effectively. During the interviews, it's crucial to articulate your design decisions clearly and concisely. Practice presenting your ideas and solutions in a structured and logical manner. Tip number 4. Embrace collaboration. While solving problems, don't hesitate to discuss trade-offs, present multiple solutions, and take hints from the interviewer. Collaboration and effective communication skills are highly valued at Google. Now that you have an understanding of the interview process and some key tips, let's talk about the top coding and system design questions you may encounter. Here are some popular coding questions you can practice. These questions can vary from easy to medium to hard level. Some of them are palindrome number, minimum meeting rooms, number of islands, merge intervals, employee free time, and alien dictionary. More similar questions can be found on Leetcode or geeksforgeeks website. In addition to the coding questions, you should also be ready for system design questions. Here are some interesting topics you may encounter. Design web crawler, design Google Docs, design Facebook Messenger, design YouTube, design Twitter or Facebook message search. If you want to dive deeper into these topics and get comprehensive preparation resources, I highly recommend checking out the links provided in the description of this video. They provide valuable insights and practical knowledge to help you succeed in your interviews. That wraps up our guide to the Google interview for software engineers. We hope you found this information helpful and wish you the best of luck in your interview journey. If you have any questions or would like to see more contents like this, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.